Hey everybody, Grandpa Rails. I'm gonna get ready and do a 3D bridge build. I'll stop the video, turn the camera around, and we will get started. So here we have, and I decided on this bridge to do the extension. So this is going to be a 2-foot long bridge. This is one of the end pieces. There's the extension. There's the center section. And the other end. And then this is the expansion for the top. That's the, and then you have the two end sections. The expansion piece for the center. We have two of those, of course. And our left and right ends of the bridge. And of course, these are the very end of the bridge. Left and right. So I will start on the base. Put together. All right. Give myself some space to work with. Make something for that. Good news. Okay. Let me see, just going to be gluing these together, and I will be using several of these guys. Alright. And we'll be back after I put the glue on. Nobody needs to see that. You know how to apply glue, right? Of course you do. Alright, we'll see you in a minute. Alright, here it is all clamped together. And my glue of choice, at the moment, till I run out of it, is Model Masters. They don't make this anymore, unfortunately. Anyway, we'll be back when I get started on the sides of the bridge. It's a truss arch bridge. Excuse me. Got off of the design off of Thingiverse. Gentleman Kabrumble is the name of the gentleman. It's he's got the double and the single bridge, which I've already printed the single bridge off, and you've seen that one. But it's no longer here. Somebody else has it. All right, I'll be back. All right, here we are back. Got the next section laid out of clampies, because I'm using them on the other over there, but I'm going to glue this section right here to this one, and then put this one onto here. Easy peasy. I think with the expansion, they moved it from a total of 13 pieces to, I want to see, let's see, 1, 2, 3, to 17 pieces. Anyway, it's really not that complicated, pretty easy to put together. And you don't need distractions. It's pretty self-explanatory. I'm definitely liking this 3D thing. This bridge would have cost me a pile of money, if not. And so this is only pennies on the dollar. Thanks for watching.